Hello and welcome. This is Simona Mainini with Feng Shui for Architecture, and I'm here to invite you to our new class, which is called Feng Shui Organizing, Feng Shui House Organizing. It's going to be a 6-week class that we're going to teach on Saturday mornings starting April 17. The reason why I decided to take this class is because I've received several emails from our students that were inquiring the impact that house organizing, cleaning, decluttering, organizing has on the feng shui of our house. And definitely it does have a great impact because it moves and unblocks the energy. But they never heard me really talk about it because normally I focus more on feng shui for designer and architecture, and I also do consult for feng shui for design and architecture. And so we seldomly get to talk about feng shui house organizing, but it is a good aspect that we should address. And since we are all locked at home in these past few months, and we might be still for a while longer, might as well we address it now. And also this will help us because the class starts in April 17, and this will help us maybe get the energy flowing again for when we'll be able to resume our regular life. So the structure of the class is going to be kind of a balance of yin and yang. It's going to be a balance of metaphysics and also physics. Physics because we are going to still do things on a physical level. We are going to clean and organize room by room every week. That's why it's a 6-week class. So we have the time in between to do it as a workshop. I'm not expecting you to do it while we are in class, but the class is structured on Saturday morning so that you will have time to continue work on Saturday afternoon. And if you have a large house or perhaps you haven't tackled things in a while, then you can also do it on Sunday morning. And so that's the physical aspect of it. By the end of it, our houses are going to look beautiful and clean and flowing and fresh, and we're going to be really happy. And also in the process of doing that, I want to address the more metaphysical aspects of feng shui, which are related to the fact that the energy of the building, the energy of our house affects us both on a psychological level, but also very much on an emotional level, and end up also being so on a physical level and in the way we manifest our life, whether they are our relationships or they are our happiness in general, or it is our financial success. And so we're going to address that portion of it also because some of you might not know that strictly on a feng shui level, direction do affect our well-being, our physical well-being, our emotional well-being, but also based on our date of birth, there might be direction, actually there are direction that support us more than others. And so whether we live in a house as individual or we live with somebody else or perhaps a whole family, then those directions will be possibly different because everybody's going to have a different date of birth. So we're going to address that as well. But the final goal of my class is that of getting the energy going for all of us and being vibrant, be in present time, and be energized to take on life in this new year with a lot of excitement and enthusiasm and a lot of purpose. So I'm looking forward to see you there on April 17. I'm gonna leave you the schedule on the last slides here of the video, but also I'm gonna leave you the hyperlink in the right below here, so you can just click on there and it will take you to the registration page. And the link on the video is not going to be interactive, but the one in the box below is going to be interactive. And also the class is going to be recorded, and so if you're going to miss a week, if you register, you're going to miss a week, you will receive the playback link so you can continue and do your own work in between classes if you want. If you don't have to, it's just a way of doing it together to motivate and support each other. But also, if you happen to see this video at a later time and the class is already completed, just be aware that the link below will still allow you to purchase the recorded video of the class. So you will be able to do this at any time of the year. So again, for those of you that are going to join us in the live webinar, I'm going to see you on April 17 at 11 a.m. And when you register, I will give you a little bit more instruction on how we're going to proceed in those 6 weeks. In the meantime, stay healthy, have a great weekend, take care of yourself, and I'm looking forward to see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.